Welcome to the exciting world of CNC manufacturing technology, where innovation meets precision to shape the future. In today's fast-paced world, CNC manufacturing is at the heart of creating everything from intricate parts to cutting-edge products. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, and it's like the brain that guides machines to craft with incredible accuracy. Think of it as a high-tech sculptor turning raw materials into precision masterpieces, all thanks to computer programming. Now you might wonder, how can you be a part of this dynamic field? Enter CNC manufacturing technology, your key to unlocking a world of opportunities. This isn't just about operating machines, it's a journey into the future of manufacturing. You'll start by understanding the basics, the language of blueprints, the precision of measurements, and the importance of safety on the shop floor. As you progress, you'll delve into the core of CNC, from programming CNC mills and lathes to mastering computer-aided manufacturing, CAM, and navigating multi-axis programming. The beauty? CNC manufacturing offers a plethora of career paths. Whether you're into designing, programming, or operating machines, there's a role for you in this ever-evolving field. Meet those who started right where you are and are now shaping industries, pushing boundaries, and enjoying fulfilling careers. So, are you ready to join the CNC manufacturing revolution? Your journey to a dynamic, hands-on, and rewarding career starts here. Get ready to shape the future with CNC manufacturing technology